Hi, my name is Lindy. I'm the Territory Manager at ESET Canada for the Eastern region. Today we will share a nice cloud success story with you, but first let's meet the rest of the group.
Hi, my name is Pierre Roy, Sales Engineer at ESET Canada.
Hi, my name is Jonathan Abbé. I'm the field rep in Montreal at Ingram Micro.
Hi, my name is Benoit Rainville, CEO, MSG Slam.
Thank you, guys. So let's start with Benoit. Benoit, can you tell us a few words about MSG Slam, who you are and what you do?
Yes, Lynn, thank you. We are a VAR and an MSP. We will cross the 40 employees bar in the next 3 months, and we operate 3 locations in Quebec province. And what we do, we help business to be more efficient using technologies, from pro services like CIO on demand to end user support or hardware needs. We are a one-stop shop. And being a part of the TrustX Alliance community for many years helps us a lot. The partnership with the community provide all of the knowledge capacity we need for our customer specific needs.
Thank you, Benoit. So Jonathan, what made you think that ESET and MSG Slam would be a good fit?
There's actually 3 reasons, Lynn, to that. The first reason is the support, and that's the most important one for me. I wanted to make sure that MSG Slam was going to get the best support for its migration. And I know you for years, and Pierre as well, and we've been working together, and I know that you would be there for MSG Slam during all the process. I was also I needed support as well on the Ingram Micro side, and I know that Yuri and Reba was going to help me and be the quarterback in that project on the Ingram Micro side. Then the most important one for Benoit was the fact that the vendor needed to be on the marketplace. As an MSP, he needed to automate his billing cycle, and the marketplace gave him that functionality. Everything is sent real time to his ERP, and he can bill his customer real time. The other thing is, you know what, Lynn? You have the best software. Yes, I love ESET. I've been using ESET personally. I'm a gamer. It's light on the system, worked great. Never had a virus since I'm using ESET. So can't complain about the quality of your product. And for an MSP like Benoit, the dashboard is the best on the market, and I knew it was going to be satisfied by remotely managing his customer.
What else can we say? Thank you for the good marketing, Jonathan.
Oh, you're welcome.
So Benoit, back to you now. What were the biggest challenge you were facing when, Jonathan introduced us?
Yes, we were using another endpoint protection solution for many years. With thousands of endpoint protected, the solution did not meet our requirements anymore for many reasons, like the poor reporting service, the lack of support expertise provided, no business relationship established with the software vendor, and a 1-year-long nightmare migration caused by a changed version of the product. Yes, 1-year-long nightmare only because of a changed version of the product. Wow. My thoughts were, if I bring the idea to my sysadmin that we will migrate again, they will kill me. I had to convince them. But we had to change, that's sure. And we also had to think twice because migrating thousands of devices can end into a total nightmare again as we know it. So the big challenge wasn't the fact that we had to migrate. It was, hey, every endpoint solution does the same job 85% of the time. So what product will we choose? So that said, we then had a call with Jonathan at Ingram. We were looking for a partner that understands the MSP challenge, a product which is marketplace ready, like Jonathan said before, and the PSA sync in real time. So we can order licenses and bill our customers in real time. And an important thing is a personalized training for the staff. ESET was then a potential new partner we had to talk to. So all things went flawless. In few days, we were under proof of concept. ESET provided to us many trial licenses, so we were able to conduct all of the testing before going to a production migration mode. Managing the console is intuitive with minimal training. Pierre Roy is the guy to call when we have technical questions, always available. A good advice here is to put all the time you can to have at least a few ESET ninjas in your company. And the endpoint management is very easy. No need for local access. Every management pieces is done remotely. That is fantastic. Every week we had a project call with ESET to make sure everything is still on track. Like every project, we had few minor issues, but every time ESET was here to help, and Pierre Roy was very helpful, bringing his knowledge. And yeah, we also used a great migration tool called the Reap and Replace tool. Pierre, a few words about this tool?
Sure, absolutely. So regarding the technical aspect for the replacement of the incumbent, so the process was easy and straightforward. So first step was simply to create a virtual machine of the ESET Security Management Console using our virtual appliance in the MSG SLAM data center. Once available, so the Rip and Replace tool was used to build a package to replace the incumbent with ESET. So unit tests were done in order to ensure a minimal impact and to minimize manual interventions on the customer production machine. So following the successful test, so the migration process started and was really smooth.
Yeah, that's true. And there was something that was really clear from the first moment we met with you, Benoit, was that you just had been through a nightmare with the transition, the deployment of the previous vendor, and you were looking for simplicity and a smooth transition for you and your team. So in order to do that, you said it, we offered free trial licenses, so you wouldn't have to pay twice for endpoint security. We also offered training for all your teams, so we had sales training and technical training of all levels. And we also had checkpoint calls. Every Friday, we were on a call with yourself or your team to make sure that there were no unanswered questions. So to conclude, Benoit, can you tell us about the outcome of your experience with Ingram and ESET?
Yes. Our best outcome as an MSP is the ease of management, the simplicity. By the end of this year, we will have doubled the amount of protected endpoints with the ESET solution with no extra admin overhead like sysadmin salary. That is a must for us. That is wonderful for us. Another outcome that I can see is how easy is it to manage licenses through Ingram Marketplace. Everything is okay. So it's good for us. And we migrated hundreds of customers and many thousands of licenses in less than 6 months. Remember that 1 year nightmare we had before. And we had less than 2% problems, which is a success in my opinion. So to conclude, as a CIO of MSG SLAM, it's a 2 thumbs up for MSG SLAM and ESET team.
Excellent. Well, thank you, Benoit. From ESET, thank you very much. Jonathan, thank you for introducing us to this great partner. And Benoit, thank you for the great success story. And we're looking forward for many years of great success story to come. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.